Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Erica Love Simple Things. So guys, this is my garden for the summer. So this is my time. I plant them in the container that for that your soap come in, your laundry detergent them out, and I put soil and I plant my stuff in it. So look, tomato plant. Some of these tomatoes come from my compost because when I cook I in my compost. So now I plant the tomato. So guys, look, tomato. All my small tomato. Yes guys, so my cucumber, my sweet pepper. So I plant them in buckets. I plant okras in buckets. And this is callaloo. For those who know what callaloo is, I plant the callaloo in a raised bed. The sweet pepper on my little stuff. Yes guys, so these are all the stuff I plant from my garden. See the cucumber, I had so much cucumber from this tree. Cucumber, plant my herbs, plant cabbage, but I don't know, some worm or something eating up the stuff, see? Cucumber, more cucumber, and the tree is climbing. So guys, if you have a little spot of yard, you can plant your own stuff in the summertime. If you could get a plastic jar, bucket or something, so you could have your own compost. See all these tomatoes, most of them came from my compost. So I put the seed in the compost during the winter time. I save all my stuff from what I cook with. So in the summertime, in the winter time, I save all those stuff. I put some soil and I put all my scrap from my cooking, and then I save the compost, and then when summer come I use it to plant my stuff. So see, now I'm getting ripe tomatoes. I'm gonna come later to pick these. I plant some flowers in the middle. See, I'm getting all these tomatoes, they're ripening up, and see all over there, all those huge tomatoes, table tomatoes. So these are all the stuff I plant in my garden. So this year I'm enjoying being in my garden, guys. Can you get simpler? Can't get simpler than this. Look, tomato lure. So I'm just waiting for everything. Right here I plant collard green. But I hit a couple times from it, but I haven't been out here for a couple of days, and some worm or whatever it is, guys, you could see the worm eat up the leaves. So I am just pulling them out. My thyme, once you plant thyme, you will always have thyme because it comes back every year. It comes back after winter, so you will always have thyme. Yes guys, over here is another set of tomatoes. Some of these tomatoes, as I said, I put the seed in my compost, and when I put the soil out in the summertime, I get back the tomatoes grow. See, huge tomato tree there. And this is my string bean. I had so much string bean from these trees. My pumpkin, I don't know, my pumpkin just keep running, but it's not bearing. So guys, see my little backyard garden. My okra is bearing now. So, and I plant scallion. So now they are seeding, so I'm just gonna leave them there to seed for next year. Can you get any simpler than this, guys? It's my sweet pepper. This is a sweet pepper that was in my compost also, and see, now it's blossoming. So I hope I get some sweet pepper from it. I have blueberry over there, and in here I plant some onion, but they're not doing much. They're not doing very well, but that's all right. I'm getting a lot of that stuff. So I'm gonna go over in the garden And I'm gonna pick the blueberry. Guys, these tomato trees are huge. So see the blueberry, you know this blueberry tree here for years, and I said I was gonna pull it out, and then when I came this year it started to bear. So see, so because it doesn't have a lot, I just pick them and eat them one time. Okay, they are kind of sweet but sourish at the same time. Yes guys, so this year I really enjoy my backyard garden. I'm waiting for this scallion to fully drop the seed, and then I'm gonna cut them out to use to cook. Yes guys, so thank you for watching my channel. Please like, subscribe, please share, help support my channel guys. I'm a new YouTuber. We're in, for the garden part, but I have another channel that I used to do scripture stuff. So please support my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, share, put the notification bell on so when I put up stuff you will be notified. See the cucumber tree is so much young cucumber, and my callaloo. So all these callaloo, when they bear up, I'm gonna just cut them, steam them, and put them in my freezer. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. I appreciate your support. Thank you so much.